Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another topic insurance. Best of the best auto loan rates the 8 best home warranty companies of October 2023. The best solar plan for home in the 2023, the best extended car warranty and cheap window replacement and companies 2023 and reviews and laboratory and mutual home insurance review and coverage and cost and the best solar plan for home in 2023, the best extended car warranty cheap window and replacement companies 2023 and reviews liberty manual home insurance review 2023 coverage and cost and AA insurance reviews and the best solar planner for home in 2023, the best extended car warranty cheap window, the replacement companies 2023 review and Liberty Mutual Home Insurance 2023 coverage and cost and EA insurance review and nationwide pet insurance and never 2000 review 2023 and car shield reviewers and Geico versus progress and expanded car insurance warranty and cheap window replacement company review and reviews and liberty and mutual home insurance review 2023 coverage and cost and AA insurance and nationwide pet insurance review and car shield and reviews Geico process with progress and how to and a pet insurance what in 2003 guide and the 5-step guide to buying an LEC, the best used car warranty and permanent life insurance. What is the law and does it work? 2023. Name 5-step guide and buying an LEG and the best used car warranty and permanent life insurance. What is how does and it work 2023 and load distance car and transport guide and suggest article is the pet insurance worth is 2023 guide and 5-step guide to buying an LLC and best used car warranty and permanent life insurance. What is it, how and does it work and 2023 and long distance car transport guide and suggestions article and home insurance, auto insurance, health insurance, insurance and legal. A pet insurance worth is 2023 guide. A pet insurance with it 2023 guide and 5-step guide to buying an LLC and the best used car warranty. And this marketplace is the cost in average cost insurance and this topic is car insurance and market is the in cost in and mark vision by and then upload and this market in car insurance and the updated October 2000 23 in written by Daniel Region and by Pushwan Market and is market reader Insurance Information Institute and compare car insurance rate and answer a few questions to save money on policies. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.